Hey Jojo tribes, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to trim your client's wigs or your own personal wigs. Are you a hairstylist or a beginner hairstylist and you're struggling with how to trim your client's wig or your own personal wigs? Do you love to work on your own wigs and you are not a hairstylist? Then if yes, this video is for you. In this video, I'll be making use of 3 items. So my 3 items are clipper, tape rule, and then take home. So using these 3 items will give you a clean job. I'm saying it again, it will give you a clean job. And please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. And please, if you are a beginner hairstylist or you just love to work on wigs, please make use of your tape rule. Make use of it. I will advise you to do that. So let's dive in. If you pin your closure or your wig on the canvas head, please make sure you remove it. It is not advisable to pin your wigs while you are trimming. So please always remove your pin. Maybe you pin it here and then at the back, please make sure that you remove your pins. This wig is my customer's wig. So I already straightened it before and then it was on bob. So my customer asked me to trim it a little bit before sending it to her. So we are going to straighten it back. Make sure that you straighten your wig before trimming. I already straightened it from bob to straight. So the next thing you are going to do is to make sure that your canvas head is straight, and then your next step again is to put your tape rule in front of the closure. I'll be on the closure. Yes, there's no air on this, so you are going to put it like this. The reason why we are doing this is to check the length of the wig. So let's check it. So it's just like 10.5 inches. So for example, maybe you are doing 9 inches. As a beginner hairstylist, please start from 9.5. So you will know how to correct it when you start from 9.5. If you want to get 10 inches, for example, and maybe the hair is 11 inches, you start from 10.5 inches, please, so that I can get the correct inches if there's any error. So we are starting from 9.5 inches. We are starting from 9.5 inches. And then you go to the second side to check the 9.5 inches. You see, the second side is not even up to 10.5 inches that we measure on this part, on this side. So we do the same thing here. So this line, you follow the line, So when you get to the back, let me just stand. When you get to the back, you stop. Like the middle, you stop. Can you see that it is straight? Then you come to this side, and then you follow the line. You trace the line. Just always remember to follow the line. Your next step is to adjust your canvas edge. You bend it down.
You measure the straight.
Oh. So when you get to this part, when you get to the tip or to the front, you slant your clipper this way. We do the same thing that we did here. We do it here also. So we adjust it back. Check. So can you see? So can you see that it is drying? It's on the line, same line. Then you check if there's no error on it. A little bit. I can still see some parts that are long.